What's up, guys? It's Eugene here. Turn on okay. Today I'm talking about shortcuts of Roland E09 for E10. So I'm gonna start here on the left. So keyboard yakho isuke iku, don't know if this isuke ila ku piano. Khipililo kunja. So it's ST piano. Normal, let me just off it because my settings are more fire. So it's on. Okay, to do it quicker you need to press okay more in the settings, just press numeric 390. This is 390, but small for no shortcuts, moving with the shortcuts. What to la? Okay, you need to put 390. Then where's when the shortcuts? Was when the shortcuts made what's see? So okay. Let's say ngifake 191. Kumele ngipresse la, kumele ngibuyele la ku sign. Ngizowenza i-shortcut 190 u391. So pressa yabo bengipressile wazo memorize. So just that impahla ifuna ukuvela. So sibuyele ngipress numeric njengamanje. Sibuyisela 390, sorry. Ngicela ukuthi nibuye la 390. Ngicima numeric, singocimile numeric. Yabo? Cimile numeric ngifocus la. Then iku-sign le mpahla. Iba i-torch le indicate ku-sign. So you need to press sync until kuze kubhalwe memorized la. Okay? Memorized. Okay. So shortcuts keyboard yakho usu press off numeric uthi nje signed fast is 390. Okay, you want to make it -1 angithi kuzibe nalo yabhas. Okay, so you press here ku main tone. Yabo, press ku main tone, press lo button la tone bese uza la negative. Izovela is -1. Yabo, main tone zo -1. This is a shortcut, quick shortcut. Yabo, shortcuts usele right ilo konje base then la kusemele fire bani brightness. Okay, uzifaka brightness ngofaka manual noma ukwenza shortcuts nawo kukwena 398, but angiboni ukuthi kuyenzeka because I think uba ku same group because uma offer la abo 398 u-signed now, so ngeke ukwazi ukwenzeka i-shortcut at the same button. So ikona kuzofuna ufake manual. Okay, njengamanje sifake itende lethu 390. After that, sorry excuse guys, you press dual kanje. Yabo, current dual u394. Yabo, you press dual, press 398. Sekufaka ku398. While you are still holding ulokhonje udual, press ulokhonje kube +1 dual fast. Yabo, that is shortcut ezwenza usheshe mwenza ama settings. Yabo, then su on kulokhonje yakho. To log tempo you need to press here. Yabo, log status bese uzopressa nale button melody. Uma pressa la, mo supressa kuzobe sekukhanya cha ukuthi ilokhekile. Yabo, so seku right, lokhekile itempo yakho uma udlala iphi itempo. Okay, see, your tempo is locked. more time uyakwazi nokulokha ubright ilokhu nje ijewel yakho, yabo. Uyakwazi nokulokha ijewel yakho kanje uyilokhe. I'm not sure noma split yalokheka na. Yeah, I think yalokheka now. See into kanjalo. You have locked lama tone, you have locked in beats, yabo. So okay, let's say ngishintshela from u390 ngifaka u197 u179. Ijewel is still locked, you see. Okay, another thing to decrease its tempo. So to decrease ilokhunja in the volume ye-jewel noma ye-main volume, you must use this button. Phela ngikwazi ukwenza ngoba ngiphethe ifoni ngingedwa la. You need to press utone bese uyehlisa la, yabo. Uyehlise la, see. Mabe ungaqiphazanga ndawo izobalance keyboard la. It's full beat uthi ibe ni more power lana. It's for ukuthi keyboard lento edlala la amatone abe ne more sound, you see. So you need to balance. We just use A2 or A1, you see, yabo. Ukwenza ufuna ukumisa kanjani, yabo. So press jewel wehlise lapho ube 85 noma 270 ukwenza 70 to 85, yona number ngibeka kuleyo range. Press la with normally main tone ngiyehlise, yabo. But ungayehlisa nje ngabe usufuna ukuzehlisela, but nje ukwehlisa ijewel bese ngiyayikhuphula split ngiyigcinise. Press split, yabo. Don't know, try to ngeke yenzeke lento, yabo. But let me try to hold like this. You see, I think ngizobona when you couple sogcineni. So that's it ikanjalo lento le. So ama shortcuts lawo okufuna uwazi kwi-keyboard, ama shortcuts okumele uwazi amnandi azokwenza usheshe mangabe usebenzisa, mangabe usethe keyboard, you see. Yeah. Another thing that you need to know, yeah, those are the things, guys, that you need to know. No. Octave ka jewel. Press jewel. Yeah. Couple like octave. See, noma yehlisa. Couple noma yehlisa. Couple noma yehlisa. That is which is maybe positive one. That is a shortcut Roland E09 that you need to know. Yeah, will be fast most of the keyboard yakho, you see, that you need to know. Yona izinto features and be fast with keyboard mawuyisetha engizaziyo lezo is very important. Very important. So guys, subscribe to the channel, click the notification icon, turn on low, follow this page if you're seeing this on Facebook. Peace.